What is replacement cost value for rental property insurance? Imagine your rental property gets hit by a storm or fire, and suddenly you face costly repairs. You might wonder how much your insurance will actually pay to fix everything. That's where replacement cost value comes into play. It's a way to figure out how much it would cost to rebuild or repair your property from scratch, using similar materials and quality, without subtracting for age or wear and tear. This means if your rental suffers damage from a covered event, the insurance will pay enough to restore it to its original condition. It's not based on what your property is worth today or what it could sell for on the market. Instead, it focuses on what it would cost to rebuild the structure as it was before the damage. For example, if a fire destroys your roof, the insurance will cover the cost of installing a new roof of similar quality and design, regardless of how old or worn the old roof was. In rental property insurance, replacement cost value covers the physical parts of the building, like the walls, roof, and sometimes fixtures or appliances included in the rental. It helps landlords avoid paying out-of-pocket for repairs that could be very expensive, especially if construction costs go up. Since building materials and labor costs change over time, it's smart to review your coverage regularly and update your limits to match current rebuilding costs. It's important to understand that replacement cost value does not include the land your property sits on. Land always holds its value and is not covered by this type of insurance. Instead, it's all about the structure and insured items. If you have a policy with replacement cost coverage, you won't be paid only for what your damaged property is worth today. Instead, you get enough to rebuild it as it was, which can be a huge help in protecting your investment. Having this kind of coverage means you won't be left with a big bill after a covered loss. It keeps your rental property in good shape and helps you get back to business quickly. Whether it's a storm, fire, or vandalism, knowing your insurance will cover the full cost to repair or rebuild using similar materials is a smart move for any landlord. Regularly reviewing your policy and adjusting your coverage ensures you're always protected at current construction prices.